guys, so I'm working on the bike and need to get away, sit it back up, because a lot of times if you do extended forks or shocks or anything like that in the rear, or have a bigger front wheel, which this has got a 21 on it now, and longer forks, you got to add something or get a longer kickstand. There's a couple of ways to do it, and they sell some different blocks like this. This is actually a piece of steel. Most of them are aluminum. This is actually a tenon bar that goes on a crown pallet jack, but you probably won't have that, but you probably can find some thick aluminum bar or thick steel bar, and I was just kind of, it's resting on it right now. But what we're going to do is just slice it essentially down through here, and then save this piece, and then drill 2 holes for bolts, and then bolt it into this, and then we're going to drill and tap the block. But it should be pretty simple, and it'll be a nice rest for it there. Alright guys, so I got a little stand extension on the kickstand fixed. Now it kind of sits up a little bit straighter and looks pretty good. However, the steel one did not work, so I had to make a new one out of aluminum so it could be light enough. The steel one was just dropping down super quick. So that wasn't going to work at all. So now we have an aluminum block, which is much lighter, and seems to be working pretty good. So pretty happy with that. So overall, it does pretty good. I've been riding it a pretty good bit. The pipes have gotten a little more blue and brass, gold, bronze to them. Looks pretty good. So I'm liking it pretty good. So everything seems to be working out well. But that's pretty much it. The exact same process over to make an aluminum one. All right guys, appreciate it.